We have 10 schools here today, and the goals are to bring this group together and to find areas where we can collaborate and share best practices and help grow engineering leadership education.
None of us have enough time and expertise to develop from whole cloth all of the educational materials we need. So there's a sharing just of necessity that we've figured out how to do some things, Northeastern has figured out how to do some things, Penn State has figured out how to do some things, and we can share.
This was a great experience being on this panel and hearing from the different universities and the different approaches.
You can be a leader without being a manager, and you can execute
while all working towards a common goal of creating the next generation of engineering leaders. I think it's really important that everyone's working together and they all understand where they fit and how they support each other.
The value of the Gordon Engineering Leadership Program at Northeastern and all the engineering leadership programs is really just to advance engineering as a whole. I mean, we're getting to a point in society where engineered systems are highly complex. They're involve a lot of people working on very specialized areas, and it's impossible to make a truly great engineered system or engineered device without good engineering leadership.
There is an urgency in creating engineering leaders right now. We're interacting with people from all over the world. These companies are global now. You have to talk with people from like Germany, Japan, depending what kind of industry you're in. You have to be able to connect across all these different skill sets and cultures.
I think there's a lot to be leveraged. There's a lot of collaboration and cross-program pollination and influence that'll turn out something really superior to what's out there now and really provide that value add, that engineering leadership focus or concentration with a degree has the potential to give someone.
Thank you very much. Another question? One of the agreements we just made a few minutes ago was to rapidly collaborate in terms of existing material in parallel with strategizing where we want to grow in the future.
We're interested in national competitiveness, and national competitiveness emerges from the competitiveness of individual firms and companies. And we have to educate engineers who are both technically excellent, but also able to create the types of products and goods that will compete in the world markets and will establish stable and rewarding employment in the United States.
So I'm currently enrolled in the Northeastern Gordon Engineering Leadership Program. I started in September 2010. I'll graduate with a graduate certificate in engineering leadership in 2011, at which point I'll go back to work and apply a lot of the principles I learned to the engineering workplace and hopefully be a better engineer and a leader because of it.